What is Harvard Dataverse? Harvard Dataverse is a web-based data repository where you can share, download, archive, cite, and explore research data. It is free to use and open to all researchers, both inside and out of the Harvard community. Harvard Dataverse facilitates making data available to others for reuse and allows you to replicate others' work more easily. Using Harvard Dataverse will help you fulfill funders' and journals' data sharing policies and follow the fair data principles, that is, making your data findable, accessible, interoperable, and reusable. Harvard Dataverse allows you to create dataverses, virtual archives where you can organize your data. Each dataverse contains datasets, and each dataset contains descriptive metadata and data files, including documentation and code that accompany the data. For the purpose of organizing your work, you can nest dataverses into other dataverses if you wish. All datasets and files in Harvard Dataverse are automatically assigned a DOI when they are published. Harvard Dataverse allows you to describe your data with robust metadata and control what kind of access to the data is allowed. You can open your data to the general public or restrict access to it. You can set customizable terms of use for your data. You can allow users to request access that you may approve or deny. Regardless of your data's level of restriction, Harvard Dataverse makes your metadata open, so people can learn about your research and find it via search engines and reference managers, even when the data itself is restricted from access. Harvard Dataverse automatically generates a data citation that can be used in the reference section of a scholarly publication. This helps ensure that authors receive academic credit and web visibility for the data they upload to Harvard Dataverse. Harvard Dataverse prioritizes archival best practices and guarantees permanent bit-level preservation of all data deposited. All data are backed up in multiple places. Your data are described with standards-based metadata so they can be located, interpreted, and understood in their original context far into the future. Tabular files deposited into Harvard Dataverse are automatically converted to preservation-friendly tab files while still retaining the original upload. Harvard Dataverse Curation Team offers a tiered set of free and paid curation services to any researchers who would like our support in ensuring that the data they share is high quality, well described, and reusable by others. Harvard Dataverse runs on the Dataverse software platform, developed at the Institute for Quantitative Social Science, with extensive contributions from the Dataverse open source community. Harvard Dataverse is supported by the Harvard Library, Harvard University Information Technology, and the Institute for Quantitative Social Science. At a time when so much research across all fields relies on data sharing, Harvard Dataverse is a valuable tool to help you make your data available and receive proper credit for it far into the future.